Bonjour et bienvenue. Today we're going to be discussing numbers in French. Are you ready? On y va. Today we're going to be learning numbers in French. Learning numbers is a great skill to have. You can use it when talking about a variety of different subjects and in a variety of different ways. Today we're going to be learning numbers 1 through 50. It sounds like a lot, but it's really not. Once you get past 20, it kind of follows the same pattern. And you'll see that, and it'll be really easy. You just need to learn the major tens, and then you'll be able to fill in all the middle parts. You'll see, I promise. All right, let's get started. Our first number is un. That means 1. Un. Très bien. Next, deux. Deux. J'ai deux chiens. I have 2 dogs. Can you say deux? Très bien. Trois. Trois. J'ai 3 fils. I have 3 sons. Trois. Good job. Quatre. 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 Très bien. Next. 5. 5. Il y a 5 chats dans la maison. There are 5 cats in the house. 5. Très bien. 6. Now this one, spelt the same in English and French, but the pronunciation is different. So let's practice that one more time. 6. Très bien. 7. 7. 7. Good job. 8. 8. Il y a 8 pommes dans le sac. There are 8 apples in the bag. 8. Très bien. 9. 9. 9. Good job. 10. 10. Or 10. 10. 11. 11. Or 11. Let's try it one more time together. 11. Très bien. 12. 12. 13. 13. Good job. 14. 14. 7 plus 7 sont 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14. Très bien. 15. 15. 15. Good job. All right, let's practice 1 through 15 before we move on, because once we get past 15, the pattern changes a little bit. So here we go. I'll say it, you repeat. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Très bien. All right, our next number is 16. 16 or 16. 16. Très bien. Here we have 17 or Dix-sept. Dix-sept. So as you can see, 17 is the word dix, which is 10, and the word sept, which is 7. So it literally says 10, 7, which is 17. So we have dix-sept. Dix-sept. Très bien. Next, 18. So again, same thing. 10, 10, 8, 8, 18, 18. 18. Très bien. 19. 19. 19. 19. Next, 20 or 20. 20. Très bien. From here on, it's just going to be a combination of 20 or 20 and the single digits 1 through 10 or 1 through 9. So you'll see. So 21 is 21. 21. In this case, et, that et in the middle, means and. So we're literally saying 20 and 1. 20 et 1. 21. Très bien. Now you see, the next one, 22, doesn't have the et in between. That's a special feature that just happens when you're saying 21, 31, 41, etc. So you'll see that each time we say 21 or something like that. But once you get past 21, it's just going to be 22 or 32. Next, 23. 23. 23. Très bien. 24. 24. 24. 12 plus 12 sont 24. 12 plus 12 is 24. Next, 25. 25. 25. Très bien. Can you guess what's next? 26. That's right. So we have 20, and then our next number, 6. 26. Très bien. Next, 27. 27. 28. 28. 29. 29. Très bien. So that concludes 20s. Next, we have 30, and that's 30. 30. 30. Très bien. So again, this follows the same pattern as the 20s did. So we have trente et un. Trente et un. Très bien. We're going to go a little bit faster this time through the 30s because I think you already have the pattern down. So I'm just going to say each one time, and I want you to repeat it after me. Here we go. Trente-deux. Trente-trois. Trente-quatre. Trente-cinq. Trente-six. Trente-sept. Trente-huit. Trente-neuf. Très bien. Next up, 40 or quarante. Quarante. Good job. Quarante et un. Quarante et un. Très bien. Let's run through the rest of them and get to 50. Quarante-deux. Quarante-trois. Quarante-quatre. Quarante-cinq. Quarante-six. Quarante-sept. Quarante-huit. Quarante-neuf. And finally, cinquante. Cinquante. Très bien. So those are your basic numbers 1 through 50. Let's count by tens one time just to really solidify those big numbers. In our next video, we'll cover numbers 60 to 100. It gets a little bit more complicated. Let's run through by tens one time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So again, remember, once you get to 20, 30, 40, 50, it's just your 10 number and the single digits. 21, 22, 23, etc. So once you get 1 through 10 down, it's really easy to get the rest of them down as well. A great way to practice numbers is to roll dice. Roll one dice and count the dots in French. Then add another dice. And again, count all the dots. Then roll a third one and count all the dots. Eventually, you'll start adding up really big numbers. Then you can work on doing addition problems where you add numbers together, again, using the numbers in French to practice. Good luck and merci. Au revoir. If you liked today's video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Also, if you have any questions, leave a comment, or if there's a video that you would like to see, leave a suggestion down below. Thank you all for your support.